Jamaican sprint legend Usain Bolt continues to express his frustration over the loss of $12.7 million stolen from his account at Stocks and Securities Limited (SSL), a prominent investment firm. The fraud scandal, which came to light in early 2023, involved several other investors, but Bolt's case drew the most attention due to his global prominence. Despite ongoing investigations, his funds remain unrecovered. Recently, Bolt took to Instagram with a cryptic message writing, "They banking on the country youth love for his country, but ask yourself, do they love their country or themselves, not from a normal place?" The post, which reflects his growing disappointment, seems to point at deeper issues of trust and loyalty within Jamaica's institutions. It seems Bolt is reflecting on whether people who claim to love their country are genuinely patriotic or driven by self-interest. Some may use national pride to gain personal benefits, while others might be sincerely motivated by love for their homeland. When he says not from a normal place, it suggests he thinks their motivations might be rooted in something more complex or even manipulative. It's a tremendous amount of money, and considering how hard Bolt worked to earn it, the situation is especially heartbreaking. Usain Bolt's entire career is a testament to years of intense training, sacrifice, and dedication. To have millions stolen from him, the fruits of his sweat and effort, is a devastating blow. For someone who has represented Jamaica on the global stage and brought immense pride to the country, it's understandable that he feels betrayed. His frustration goes beyond just the financial loss. It's about the principle, the trust that was violated, and the lack of justice he's experienced so far. It does seem that Bolt's message could be interpreted as a subtle critique of the government or those in power, particularly regarding how they've handled the SSL scandal.